Hello and welcome the DreamView YouTube channel. Ready for any mess, equipped with 2 side brushes and a main brush, Deebot will sweep, lift, and vacuum to clean an entire floor, auto mode, a small area, spot mode, or the edge of your floor, edge mode. Voice in-app controls, works with Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. Ecovac Smart App comes with 5+ advanced features including direct control, scheduling, status updates, cleaning modes, accessory status, etc. Max Mode Power, increase suction power by up to 2x for particularly troublesome messes. Noise Level, dB. Standard/Max, Intensive, 65.6. Dustbin Capacity, ml, 520. Up to 1 10-minute runtime, a longer battery life for even more cleaning. Auto return and charging means your robot will always be ready to clean. Basic features includes anti-drop and anti-collision sensors, auto return charging, automatic software update, durable protective bumpers, high efficiency filter, anti-scratch finish, a large easy-to-empty dustbin, large wheels for climbing thresholds, etc. If you are new here, watch this video and subscribe this channel and like video. Thank you.